everybody. I'm so glad that you're back here with me. As you can tell by our beautiful setup today, it must be Friday. And if it's Friday, that means it is Cocktails with Karen. So now I'm thinking I'm a little bit organizer and a little bit bartender, but why not have some fun? Sometimes organizing can cause you to want to drink. So today we're going to get started and we're going to make the Moscow Mule. The copper cup is really important, the copper mug to the Moscow Mule. It gets nice and frosty and the ice cubes stay solid so it doesn't water down your drink as much. So an important thing to have, not expensive and obviously reusable. So if you're ready, let's get started with the Moscow Mule. So we've got our copper mug. We're gonna do a shot of vodka and that's 1.5 ounces. So let's get that measured and into our beautiful copper mug. Then we have a 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice that we're gonna add right in there. And now we add the ice. We want this nice and cold and refreshing, really chilled. There we go. Now the Moscow Mule gets a lot of flavor from the ginger beer. So I've already got this open. It's 4 ounces of ginger beer. So I'm gonna add that in here as well. So you can see this is really simple and there are not a lot of ingredients, which is so nice. I'm gonna give it a good swizzle to incorporate all those flavors. This is looking delish. And then because you know I like a lot of lime, I'm gonna squeeze a little in here. You can use it for garnish. I'm gonna actually get that in there a little bit better. And I am ready to try the Moscow Mule. Let's see how this is. It is nice and frosty, which feels great. And it is delicious. The ginger beer really adds a lot of flavor. And because it's carbonated, it has that effervescence, which is always so nice and refreshing. It's not heavy, perfect for a weekend. Always great with a charcuterie board or something you've got around the house, some nuts and cheeses. Enjoy your Moscow Mule. I'm going to enjoy mine, and I'll see you next time. I've collaborated with 15 other women for a new book entitled Women Who Boss Up. Tam Luck of Women with Vision International gathered the 16 of us boss babes together and collaborated on both our professional and our personal stories and has put those all together in a book entitled Women Who Boss Up. You can pre-order a signed copy of Women Who Boss Up, where I have my own chapter dedicated to my story, along with 15 other really incredible women as well. So thank you so much. See you next time.